Are you unknowingly harming your liver? In today's video, we'll reveal 12 shocking signs of liver damage that you might be ignoring. Knowing these could save your health, because your liver has an incredible ability to heal itself if you act fast and take action. But first, let's face the facts. Liver disease affects a staggering 1 in 4 adults in the USA. Let's dive in and discover the warning signs you shouldn't ignore. Alright, let's get real for a second. Most people think liver damage is just something heavy drinkers need to worry about. But guess what? That's only part of the story. Sure, alcohol can cause liver damage, but so can things like processed foods, sugar, too much vegetable oil, and even popping painkillers like they're candy. I know, you're probably thinking, another health thing to worry about, just what I needed. But trust me, your liver will thank you for paying attention. So let's get started. But seriously, keeping an eye on your liver is super important because, wait for it, your liver can actually heal itself if you catch problems early. So let's talk about 12 weird and kinda unexpected signs that your liver might be waving the red flag. Spoiler alert, some of them are pretty gross, but don't freak out, we'll get through it together. 1. Pale poop. Yep, we're going there. Okay, let's rip the band-aid off with this one. Pale or clay-colored poop could be a sign that your liver is struggling. Why? When your liver isn't producing enough bile, the stuff that makes poop brown, your stool lightens up. If your stool is looking suspiciously pale or even floating, yeah, I said it, it's time to check in with your doctor. 2. Struggling to see at night, not just bad eyesight. If your night vision is getting worse, it might not just be age catching up with you. Poor night vision, or nyctalopia, if we're being fancy, could be a sign of liver damage. You see, your liver helps send vitamin A to your eyes, which you need to see in the dark. If your liver isn't doing its job, you might feel like you're walking around in a dark room with no flashlight. Time to call your doc if the world starts getting dimmer at night. Swollen right foot? Say what? Did you wake up one morning and your right foot's looking like a balloon? Not cute. This could be peripheral edema, fancy talk for swelling, usually due to liver damage. When the liver's on the fritz, it stops making enough albumin, the protein that keeps fluids where they should be. Without it, fluid can pool in your legs and feet and voila, swollen feet, especially on the right side. Definitely not a good look, and definitely worth checking out. Bumps around your eyelids? Nope, not pimples. Seeing weird white or yellowish bumps around your eyelids? These little beauties are called xanthelasma, and no, they're not just annoying. They're cholesterol deposits. And spoiler alert, if your liver isn't breaking down cholesterol like it should, it starts to pile up in places like your eyelids. Fun times. If you spot these, it's time to get your liver checked out. Pressure under the right rib? Uncomfortable, right? Ever feel that annoying, nagging pressure or discomfort on the right side of your rib cage? That could be your liver screaming for attention. When liver damage causes bile to thicken and clog up those little bile ducts, it can create a sludgy buildup that puts pressure on the area. Bonus, it can even cause pain in your right shoulder. Don't ignore it. Alright, quick pause. If you've made it this far, you clearly care about your health, and thumbs up and kudos to you for being an awesome health rock star. Your enthusiasm is contagious and inspiring. Now please don't leave us hanging. Hit that subscribe button and join our little health-obsessed community. You don't want to miss out on more life-saving tips, right? Plus, subscribing is free. And let's face it, your liver could use all the help it can get. Go ahead, do it now. We'll wait. Okay, I trust you have now, and thank you. 6. Purple or red skin bumps. What's going on here? Weird purple or red spots showing up on your skin. That's a sign that your liver isn't producing enough proteins for blood clotting. These random bruises could mean your blood isn't circulating properly, and that, my friend, is not good news for your liver. Keep an eye on these spots, especially if they pop up on your legs and arms. 7. Cracked heels, not just a dry skin problem. If your heels are looking like a dried up desert, your liver could be to blame. A damaged liver hogs up all the vitamin B3, niacin, which your skin needs to stay smooth and hydrated. No vitamin B3? Say hello to cracked heels. So before you just slap on some lotion, consider that it might be a bigger issue. 8. White or swollen nails. Seriously, check your nails. Here's something you probably didn't expect. Your nails could tell you a lot about your liver. White or swollen nails can signal liver problems, especially if they're clubbed, like round, enlarged fingertips. Keep an eye out for changes in nail color or shape. They're more important than you think. 9. Dark urine. This one's pretty clear. If your pee is looking like dark iced tea, It's time to take a closer look at your liver. Dark urine can be caused by a buildup of bilirubin, which happens when your liver isn't filtering things out properly. It's one of the clearest signs that something's not right. Jaundice isn't just for newborns. It's a big red flag for liver issues. If your skin or eyes are turning yellow, it means your liver isn't breaking down red blood cells like it should. This buildup of bilirubin can lead to jaundice, so don't brush it off. Seeing little spider veins on your face or legs? That could be your liver's way of telling you that your estrogen levels are too high. Damaged livers can't process estrogen properly, leading to increased pressure in the veins and, spider veins. Lastly, if you're constantly scratching yourself, it might be more than just dry skin. Liver damage can cause bile acids to build up under the skin, making you itch like crazy. It's your body's way of saying, hey, something's not right in here.
So there you have it, folks. 12 signs your liver might be in trouble. If you're noticing any of these, it's time to give your liver some TLC and talk to a healthcare professional. Remember, your liver is a total superhero when it comes to healing itself, but only if you catch the damage early. Stay tuned, because in the next part, we'll dive into some easy ways to help your liver heal and thrive. And hey, don't be that guy. Hit that subscribe button. It's a way of encouraging us to continue keeping you updated.